Hi, Deb Villarice Villicachina. I'm gonna make deviled eggs, and I've always been afraid to make them because the eggs don't always peel so well. If you've got an Instapot, I found the way to do eggs, and they're perfect every time. Let me show you how. So I have 12 eggs in the pot. You add 1 cup water. Now I'm gonna seal it. I'm gonna hit manual, whatever you call manual, and bring it down to 5 and walk away. I'll be back in a little bit to show you what I end up getting. All right, so after it went for 5, then it counts down back to 12, and you can see I've got all 12 eggs are in here. And then you stick them in cold water, ice water. And what I want to do is peel one so you can see just how quick they peel, how easy they peel. And all of them will do the same thing. It's just absolutely amazing. So let's see if I can do that with this one. Look how easy. And in the past, I'd have trouble with it and throw some of them out because they just, look at that. And all of the other 11 will do that the same way. So if you've got an Instapot, you might want to boil your eggs that way. It's amazing.